The National Coordinator, National Counter-Terrorism Center Major General LAKA says violent extremism had threatened the very fabric of Nigerian communities, institutions, and social cohesion. LAKA says the workshop is aimed at highlighting unified determination to enhance the nation's capacity to counter violent extremism and to ensure the seamless implementation of preventing and countering violent extremism guidelines and strategies at every level of governance. He said the federal government of Nigeria had developed the policy framework and national action plan for PCVE to serve as a guiding strategy for a whole of government and whole of society approach to tackling radicalization and violent extremism.
Today's gathering highlights our unified determination to enhance the nation's capacity to counter violent extremism and to ensure the seamless implementation of preventing and countering violent extremism strategies at every level of governance. As you are all aware, violent extremism remains one of the most complex security challenges of our time. It threatens our national security and the very fabric of our communities, institutions, and social cohesion. In response to this, the federal government of Nigeria developed the policy framework and national action plan for preventing and countering violent extremism to serve as a guiding strategy for a whole of government and whole of society approach.
Major General LAKA, National Coordinator, National Counter-Terrorism Center. The Director of PCVE at NCTC, Ambassador Mario Musa, says the main objectives of the workshop was centered around enhancing the understanding of the policy framework on preventing and countering violent extremism and facilitating its localization at institutional, state, and community levels. She added that effective implementation requires domestication, ownership, integration within existing government agencies and security structures, adding that it is also to foster cross-sectional collaboration and information sharing, strengthening multi-sector stakeholder synergy in PCV implementation.
Effective implementation requires domestication, ownership, integration within existing government agencies and security structures. Therefore, to review, we also need to have an objective to review and validate the PCV guidelines as a strategic tool to guide stakeholders in effective implementation of the PCV initiative across ministries, departments, and agencies, security institutions, civil societies, and other relevant sectors, both at the federal and state level.
Ambassador Mario Musa, Director, PCV, NCTC. It is expected that the outcome will strengthen understanding of the PCV, PFNAP amongst MDAs at the state institutions and other stakeholders with clear strategies for its localization and institutionalization. Glorious Isiramin reporting for BTV News.